Equipped with the A17 Pro chip, the iPad mini 7 delivers significant performance improvements, enabling seamless handling of professional apps and tasks, including complex AR experiences, photo editing, and more. The 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display offers a stunning visual experience with P3 wide color, true tone technology, and an anti-reflective coating. This makes colors more vibrant in viewing, more comfortable across various lighting conditions. The device includes a 12MP Ultra wide front camera for clear video calls and a 12MP wide back camera that supports Smart HDR4. The rear camera also uses machine learning to enable quick document scanning directly in the camera app. Featuring Apple Intelligence within iPadOS 18, this system leverages the A17 Pro chip and Apple-built models to enable smart features across apps. Initial features are available in US English through iPadOS 18.1, with more capabilities expected soon. Faster Wi-Fi 6E support and a USB-C port with data transfer rates of up to 10 gigabits per second make it ideal for high-speed data tasks. The iPad mini 7 supports Apple Pencil Pro, the Apple Pencil, USB-C, and Bluetooth keyboards, enhancing productivity and creative options. With up to 12 hours of battery life, users can rely on the iPad mini 7 for extended use on a single charge. Starting with 128 gigabytes, double the storage of the previous model. The iPad mini 7 is available in 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes configurations, with color options including blue, purple, starlight, and space gray. Pricing begins at $499 for the Wi-Fi model and $649 for the Wi-Fi Plus cellular model. So, the iPad mini 7 combines a compact design with powerful features, offering users an exceptional blend of portability, performance, and flexibility.